Fix apps that won't open on iPad with these 10 tips. Force close the app. Swipe from the bottom of the screen to the middle to open the app switcher. On iPads with the home button, press it twice. Locate the app window and swipe up on it to quit. Wait for about 15 seconds. Now, go ahead and tap on the app to open it like you usually would. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart your iPad. Restarting your iPad is like giving it a quick break. When it starts up, it can get back to running your apps smoothly. This simple reset can often fix those stubborn apps that don't want to open or work right. Update the app. Find the App Store icon and press on it until a menu pops up. Select Updates. Scroll down to see all upcoming automatic updates. You can tap Update All or Update on each app you want. Check for app outages. Sometimes, the app can have problems preventing it from opening or working correctly. It could be due to technical difficulties, maintenance, or updates the app developers are working on. Websites like Down Detector or Is It Down Right Now are great tools. They give you real-time info on whether the app is working or not. Just type the app's name into their search bar to see if there's a widespread issue. Allow mobile data. On iPads with cellular data, open the Settings app and go to Cellular Data. Look through the list of apps until you find the one not working right and toggle to Enable. Remove app restrictions. Open the iPad settings and go to Screen Time. Tap on the App Limits option. Tap on the Set Limit. Tap Delete Limit and confirm the action. Return to the Screen Time menu and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure nothing here is stopping your app from working. You can also choose to turn this off if it makes things easier. Reinstall the problematic app. Tap and hold the app icon you want to remove until a menu pops up. Tap Remove App. Then, select Delete App and confirm the action. Now turn your iPad off and then on again. Open the App Store, find the app you just removed, and download it again. Update iPad OS. Open iPad settings. Choose General. Tap Software Update. If there's an update waiting, you'll see two options. You can either download and install right away or choose Install Now if the update has already been downloaded. Free up device space. Go to Device Settings and tap General. Select iPad Storage. If the device space is low, remove unnecessary apps. Tap on the app and choose Delete App. Delete other unnecessary data like photos, videos, or large files. Reset iPad settings. Open iPad settings and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Enter the iPad passcode if it's set up and confirm the action. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The secure calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.